Hey, what's up you guys? It's Mike Nardi here. In this video, I'm going to give you a sales template that you can use to get more orders on Fiverr. This is a template that I've created that any of you can use with some minor modification to send out to your target audience to increase the chances of you getting orders and sales on the Fiverr platform for your Fiverr gigs. So let me tell you a story. Years ago, I started in my first sales job. And like most new salespeople, I had no idea what I should be doing to encourage people to sell from me. So one of my sales leaders at the time gave me a template, an email template. It said, use this template to go out, knock on doors, and start conversations with prospective buyers about your product. It was a new concept to me. I had never in the past done proactive prospecting or outbound sales. And it was kind of intimidating, right? It's not easy for anyone to go out and reach out and contact people telling them that they should buy something. But I did it, and that was the foundation of my career in sales. You got to get out there, you got to send messages to people, start conversations, and let people know why they should be buying from you. So it's from that lesson in my career in sales that I've come to give you this template. Not a lot of people are doing prospecting or outbound sales on Fiverr. A lot of people, I don't know if you fall into this bucket, but let me know in the comments, will create a Fiverr gig and just wait for something to happen. They'll just wait for sales to come their way. They'll wait for buyers to find them. And the reality of most of our situations is that takes a lot of time and it can discourage a lot of sellers. So this template is a message you can send via email, via contact forms on people's websites, or through buyer requests to encourage people to use you as a freelancer for whatever they might need to use you for their business. So if you haven't done this before, use this template, modify it to suit the services that you're selling, and I wish you the best of luck. But using something like this will definitely give you a better chance of selling versus doing nothing. That's the simple fact of it. If you create a gig and do nothing, you're going to have a harder time getting orders versus someone of a comparable skill level with the same type of gig who's prospecting using an email template like this one. So I hope this is really helpful for you. All right, and before I share the template and put it up on the screen, make sure you're liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and follow me on Twitter. I really appreciate it. Okay. So bear in mind, the template I'm about to read out to you and put up on the screen can be modified for pretty much any type of gig or service on Fiverr. There's just two pieces of information you're going to have to know in order to effectively use it. The first thing is you need to know who your target buyer is. What types of companies are you targeting? What types of employees or job titles are you targeting at that company? Those types of things. This is kind of just basic information that you should know that's going to help you fill out this template. The second thing you need to know to effectively use this is what are some of the things that those companies or the people you've identified might need help with. Like, what types of things do they need help with? What types of things can you help them with as a freelancer? That's going to be essential for having success with this template. All right, so the moment we've all been waiting for. Here's the template. I'm going to read it out and put it up on the screen. Take a look at it, jot it down, and tweak it to fit your specific niche and business on Fiverr. Here we go. Hi, this message is intended for the marketing manager at ABC Corp. I'm reaching out to discuss future marketing initiatives at ABC Corp. I'm a graphic designer and feel that my expertise aligns well with your marketing story. I currently offer my services freelance through Fiverr.com, which presents a great opportunity to leverage top talent in the way that's both flexible and cost-effective for your organization. My portfolio and gigs can be found via this link. This is where you'll insert your Fiverr gig link. I look forward to working with you, and then sign off with your name. So for this example, I built the sample template with the perspective of being a graphic designer and targeting a marketing manager at companies that I'm targeting, right? Marketing managers care about creating a consistent brand story for their business, sending out and creating marketing collateral to their prospects, and ultimately being able to help fill the pipeline through marketing for their sales team. So in this template, you outline that you're a graphic designer, you outline that you understand that you can help them with their marketing story, and you outline why it might be beneficial for them to work with you. And you say, Fiverr is a very flexible and cost-effective tool that you can use at your organization. And that's it. It's a simple template. And how you're going to send this out is make a list of companies you might want to sell to or work with, and go on their website and see if they have a contact us page. You know, a page where you fill out your information and it allows you to put a message to them. This message is, you know, generic enough that as long as you identify which employee you're looking for, in this case it was the marketing manager, there's a chance your email might get forwarded or your message might get forwarded. I know this isn't the most advanced prospecting strategy, but it's a start for people who have never done this before. So take a look at this template, save it. If you're a graphic designer, great, you can pretty much use this one. But if you sell into a different category or sell different services on Fiverr, just take some time to skim through it and swap out some of the keywords. You know, like in this case, I used marketing manager. If that's not the person you target, swap that out with whoever that person is. Is it the CEO? Is it the sales manager? Is it the IT director? Whoever. And then also look at, you know, where I said, hey, I'm a graphic designer. Put in a little blurb explaining what it is that you do and what it is you might be able to help them out with. It's simple, it's easy, but if you take some time every week or every day to send this message out to a bunch of clients, it's going to dramatically increase the amount of prospective buyers you have interested in your services. Because you're not just relying on Fiverr to send you organic traffic, you're actually putting in the work to find business yourself. And that's the key to sales, and it's really something that can dramatically impact the amount of time it's taking you to get orders on the Fiverr platform. Take a look at this template, use it in your prospecting. If you're not already prospecting, start prospecting, and let me know if it's been effective for you. Leave a comment if you have any questions about it. Comment in the description here. I'll do my best to answer all your comments and help you guys get set up to send this template out and make more money on Fiverr. All right, everyone. That is it. A simple prospecting and sales template that you can use to proactively send out to try to get more buyers, more orders, and make more sales on Fiverr. I hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and let me know what they are, and I'll answer them for you. But give it a shot. Start prospecting. Make this a part of your daily or weekly routine. And it's one of those things where if you keep putting in the reps, you know, keep doing the right things, good things will come. And in this case, the good thing is you'll start getting orders on Fiverr. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter. And until next time, cheers.